Welcome to MAB Notary Services channel. Do you want to start a flexible, lucrative career where you call the shots? Becoming a loan signing agent might just be the perfect fit for you. Stay around, and in the next 8 minutes, I'll show you the step-by-step process to start your journey today. A loan signing agent is a certified professional who works with borrowers, ensuring that loan documents are properly signed and completed during real estate transactions. Why is this career so appealing? Reasons. 1. Flexible hours that fit around your schedule. 2. A high demand role in the booming real estate market. 3. Low startup costs compared to most career paths. Sounds great, right? So, how do you actually get started? I'll guide you through 3 simple steps: education, certification, and building a business. And trust me, there's more to it than meets the eye. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Get educated. Before you can become a loan signing agent, you need to understand the process. Take the time to learn about loan documents. Terms like deed of trust, promissory notes, and disclosures will soon become your bread and butter. There are excellent resources available to help you learn. Websites like the National Notary Association or anyone offer webinars, training courses, and tons of materials for beginners. Here's a tip. While taking your courses, focus on understanding the borrower experience. Think about how you can make the signing process smooth and stress-free for your clients. And here's a common rookie mistake: jumping into the next step without fully grasping the whole process. Trust me, putting in the effort to learn now will save you headaches later. Step 2. Get certified and licensed. Depending on your state, you'll need to complete specific requirements to become a notary public first. This is essential because loan signing agents are also notaries. The certification process typically involves 1. Completing a notary training course. 2. Passing a background check. 3. Taking a state-specific notary exam. The costs vary but are usually under $500. Here's a contrarian insight. Certification is important, but it's not the most critical factor for success. What really sets you apart is how you present yourself and your services to potential clients. And speaking of that, let's move to step 3, building your business. Step 3, build your business. Once you're certified, it's time to start finding clients and marketing yourself effectively. Here's how. Leverage online platforms like signingagent.com to connect with signing services. And network locally. Attend real estate events and introduce yourself to title officers, loan officers, and escrow companies. Stand out by offering exceptional service. Be punctual, professional, and personable. It's the little things that lead to referrals. And here's a secret: don't focus solely on getting a high volume of clients. Instead, prioritize relationships with well-paying clients like title companies who can offer steady work. Remember, it's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. By now, you've got the roadmap to becoming a successful loan signing agent. It's as simple as 1. Getting educated. 2. Getting certified. 3. Building your business. If you're ready to take the next step, I've got something for you: a free loan signing agent starter checklist. Click the link in the description to grab it now. And don't forget to subscribe for more career tips and advice. Your new career could be just one decision away. Start today.